welcome back to TechnoArch. In today's video, we will learn how to align a tilted object to specific points in SketchUp using the 1001bit Freeware plugin. Let's get started. As you can see, the window is tilted both horizontally and vertically, and we need to align it within the void space. For this, we will use the Align Selected Entities to Pick Points tool from 1001bit Freeware plugin. First, we will select the 2 points on the window that define its alignment. Then, we will select the first point where we want to position the object, followed by the second point as the base point of the object. Finally, we will select the vertical, that is Z-axis point, to adjust the object's position and fine-tune it as needed. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions or request for future videos, please leave a comment below. See you next time.